Understanding do-si-do, a fun phrase in English. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have a fun and interesting topic to discuss, the phrase, do-si-do. You might have heard it in movies, songs, or even during dance instructions. But what does it actually mean, and where does it come from? Let's dive in and find out together. Do-si-do is a phrase that originally comes from folk dancing, particularly square dancing, which is a type of dance with four couples arranged in a square. In a do-si-do, partners face each other and move around each other in a circular motion without turning around, then return to their original positions. It's a fun and interactive dance move that has been enjoyed by many generations. The term do-si-do has a French origin. It comes from the French phrase dos-a-dos, which literally translates to back-to-back. However, in the dance move, dancers do not actually turn their backs to each other. They move around each other face-to-face. The term was likely anglicized over time as square dancing became popular in English-speaking countries, leading to the version we know today, do-si-do. Outside of dancing, you might hear do-si-do used in a more figurative or playful way to describe people or objects moving around each other or interacting in a circular motion. It's not a common phrase in everyday English, but it can be used for creative or humorous effect. When pronouncing do-si-do, you want to stress the first and last syllables like this, do-si-do. It's a quick and rhythmic phrase, reflecting its dance origins. Remember, it's a fun expression, so feel free to say it with a bit of a bounce in your voice. And there you have it, a quick guide to the phrase, do-si-do. We hope you enjoyed learning about this fun and quirky part of the English language. Remember, language is not just about rules and grammar. It's also about culture, history, and having a good time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.